Okay, picture this. You're a student or a recent grad. You have zero work experience, and every single job listing you look at says 2 to 3 years required. Sounds familiar, right? Now, imagine finding a program that hands you a real professional remote role, no experience needed, working inside an actual organization, fully virtual, and it's open to people basically anywhere in the world. That's not a hypothetical. It's a real program called the Constellations Fellowship. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what it is, who it's actually for, and this is the part most people skip. How to tell if you genuinely qualify before you waste time applying. On this channel, we talk about legit remote work, online income, and career opportunities that don't require you to already have the experience you're trying to get. So let's get into it. Here's what's coming up. What the Constellation Fellowship actually is, exactly who is eligible and who isn't, how the application process really works, and the mistake I see people make that gets their applications ignored. Let's go. So the Constellation Fellowship is a fully remote internship program. We are talking 12 to 14 weeks, 100% virtual, and it places students and recent graduates inside real organizations that are working on climate solutions. Now, don't switch off if climate isn't your usual thing. Stay with me because this matters for a completely different reason. These are not random small organizations. The organizations you'll be placed with are winners or finalists of something called the Killing Curve Prize, which is a global award that's handed out over $2.5 million to more than 80 non-profit companies and startups doing real work. So the fellowship isn't attaching you to some random unfunded startup. It's connecting you to organizations that have already been vetted at a global level. And here's the number that actually matters to you. They've placed over 520 fellows through this program already. This isn't a brand new, untested thing. It's been running. What do you actually do as a fellow? You get placed directly with one of these organizations and you do real hands-on work research, communications, operations, project support, the kind of thing that goes straight onto your CV and actually means something because you can point to a specific organization and a specific project. Now let's talk about who this is for because I want to save you time here. This is built for students and recent graduates. That's the core audience. If that's you, keep watching because the eligibility here is genuinely broader than a lot of similar programs. Here's the part I actually love about this one. It says clearly that any qualified student can apply. It's not locked to one country. There's a whole list of university partners across different regions that help funnel students in. But, and this is important, you do not have to attend one of those partner universities to apply. Those are just schools that actively promote it to their students. So if you're watching this from Nigeria, from India, from the Philippines, from anywhere really, this isn't automatically closed to you the way a lot of global programs quietly are once you actually read the fine print. That said, and I always tell you this on this channel, I have not seen a published country by country eligibility list for this specific one. So before you get excited and start telling your friends, you confirm it directly. I'll show you exactly how in a second. Quick gut check for you. Are you currently a student or did you graduate recently? If yes, this is worth 10 more minutes of your time. If you graduated 5+ years ago, this specific program probably isn't your lane. But stick around anyway because I'm going to tell you what to do instead. Now here's where it gets interesting because most people stop researching right here. They see apply, they get excited, they fire off an application with zero preparation and it goes absolutely nowhere. I'm about to show you the exact 3 things you need to check and prepare before you apply. The stuff that actually separates the people who get placed from the people who get a generic rejection email. Don't leave yet because this next part is the difference between wasting your time and actually landing this. Quick pause. If you're serious about building an actual remote career, not just this one program, but the whole skill set of finding, applying to, and winning legit remote opportunities, that is literally what I do inside my community. I walk people through CV building, how to position yourself with zero experience, and how to actually get picked. Links in the description if you want that kind of support, okay? Back to it. How to get started. Alright, so here's how to approach this the smart way. Step 1. Confirm eligibility directly. Go to the official Climate Curve website and look at the Constellation's fellowship page and the FAQ. Don't rely on random blog posts or a screenshot someone shared in a Facebook group. Programs like this update deadlines and requirements, so you check the source. Step 2. Check open positions, not just the program page. There's a separate positions listing where actual open roles get posted. This matters because the program page tells you the vibe of the fellowship, but the positions page tells you what's actually open right now and what skills they are looking for. Apply to specific role, not just the program in general. Step 3. All serious inquiries go through the program manager listed on the site. That's your signal. This is a real structured process, not a random form that disappears into a void. Use the proper contact channel. Be specific about which role you're interested in and keep your message short and professional. Step 4. Treat your CV like it's for a real employer, because it is. These are organizations that already won global recognition. Generic "I am hardworking and a fast learner" CVs get ignored everywhere, but especially here. You want specific projects you've done, tools you know, even volunteer work that's relevant. And here's a pro tip I give my own students. Reference the organization's actual work in your application. If you can name a specific project of theirs and say why it interests you, you already look like a stronger candidate than 80% of people who copy-paste the same message to 5 different programs. Now, let me tell you the single biggest mistake I see. People apply to programs like this the exact same week applications open, using a CV they haven't touched in a year, and then wonder why they never hear back. The people who actually get placed are the ones who treat this like a real job application, because it is one. So if you're serious, pause this video after we are done and go update your CV first. Don't apply broke and unprepared just to say you applied. Now, if you already graduated a while back and that specific program isn't for you, don't leave this video empty-handed. The bigger lesson here is this: fellowships and internships pipelines like this exist across way more fields than people realize. Tech, health, policy, climate research, and most of them are severely underapplied to because people don't know they exist. That's literally why I make these videos. So even if this exact one isn't your fit, the skill I want you walking away with is knowing how to evaluate one of these programs in 5 minutes. Check the official page, check eligibility language carefully, check if there's a real open positions list, and confirm the contact process is legit. That checklist works on basically any opportunity you find online. If this helped you, I need you to do 2 things right now. First, subscribe, because I post opportunities like this regularly and you do not want to miss the next one. Second, drop a comment telling me where you're watching from and whether you're a student or a recent grad, because I read every single comment and it genuinely helps me know what to bring you next. If you want direct help building a CV that actually gets you picked for programs like this, or figuring out your whole remote work strategy, everything's linked in the description. That's what I do every single day for people in exactly your position. One last thing before you go. The biggest reason people miss out on opportunities like this isn't that they are unqualified. It's that they never even found out it existed. So, do me a favor, send this video to one person you know who is a student or just graduated and is still looking for their break. It might be the video that changes their year. I'll see you in the next one.